How to download Discord on PC. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. If you find it useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, first of all, you need to go to your browser. Personally, I'm going to use Google Chrome. Then go to search and then search for Discord. Then this is the official website, discord.com. So click on it, the first link. Then it is going to land you here on their homepage. So you are going to scroll down a little bit. Then you are going to see two options here, Discord for Windows and then open Discord on your browser. So if you like to test Discord on your browser, you can click on this button. But for this video, I'm going to download for Windows. So click on download for Windows. Then as you can see, the download has begun on the top here. So let us just give it time for it to complete. As you can see, the download has finished. So you are going to run this file. So click on it once in order to run it. Then this pop-up will appear on your screen. So click on run. You can now minimize Google Chrome. So as you can see, guys, now you are going to log in using your account. So I had already created an account, so I'm just going to click on login. If you do not have an account, you can just click on add account and you can create a new account. So for this, I had already logged in, so I'm going to log in again. So I'm just going to click on login. Then I'm going to enter my phone number and my password. So you can do the same on your side. So you need to confirm that you are not a robot. Then click on I am human. Then click on I am human. Then once you've done that, you will log in into your Discord account. So that's really it, guys. That's how to download Discord on PC. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.